first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Cadcomlab and make your AutoCAD 2D 3Ds max dreams come true. Download the app now.
फिर होस्पोस हो जाती है, समझ में नहीं आता। इसीलिए आर्किटेक्चर पार्ट में इसीलिए कॉल आउट्स को यूज़ करा गया है, डिटेल कॉल आउट को यूज़ करा जाता है ताकि आप उनको मार्क करके अलग सेपरेटली शो करा सकें सिस्टमेटिक वे। सो प्लेस एलसीडी यूनिट आइटम्स, दिस वन इज स्विच बोर्ड दैट वी विल प्लेस्ड नियर द डोर so that we can control easily every electrical items. Just copy and paste, place in your drawing. Simple is this. We should have a table first point. Also we should know about the standard of the electrical, and for wiring we will use a 3-point arc and connect all items with switch board. So it's repeating the control that we will control all object with this item. Change color of this line and put on dotted line. This is the process. Standard is very important and the table is very important for this drawing. Same thing we will follow in washroom. In washroom, what we will need? Geyser, wall light, exhaust fan, vanity light, and this one is wash basin light. We can see in table. So this one is wash basin light. Standard height 6 feet 6 inches. Geyser also we mostly use a 5 feet 6 inches to 6 feet standard. So copy all item from the drawing and paste in your area. So in electrical plan, mostly every designer and professional make a copy and paste. Simple. And connect all appliances with switch board. We will control this light from this board, also this one, and also exhaust fan. Use match property and match all wire. So first part is called electrical plan, SLD, single line diagram, that we design on the basis of standard. Same process we will follow in kitchen. Like we have a kitchen, and in kitchen we will mention a RO part, light, geyser, and this symbol means like 5 ampere plug point for kitchen, 15 ampere power point for kitchen. Five ampere and 15 ampere power for kitchen. Standard height depending on the kitchen countertop, 3 feet. Bottom edge 2 feet 6 inches is kitchen countertop, and this symbol we will use approx 3 feet standard.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Mm-hmm.
You have placed no electrical symbols in bedroom toilet room.
Mm-hmm.
We should assume it, sir, where we can place it, that all switchboard, like lights.
Okay, got it. Types of board we will choose in interior part when we will design a front elevation of the electrical. So in architecture part, Mostly we use a symbol that we mention that in this place we will use a switchboard. Example, on bedside table we will use a 5 ampere plug point. But interior part we design this drawing with detail like this. So in interior we will mention the which types of module we will use on this part, on this area, on a specific part. So types of module and height of the switchboard also we mention in interior, and we mention complete switchboard module detail, like which socket we will use in our drawing. 16 ampere socket on off, 6 ampere socket on off for a study table, a USB port. So this kind of details we will design in interior, not in architecture, right? So in architecture part we show only that it's a wiring diagram, so our electrician can work easily on the basis of this part. He can see easily that where is the switchboard, how many types of points we will use in this area with the help of this drawing. Clear? So in electrical legend, same process for kitchen part. We will make a copy of the all items, RO, geyser, and this part means we can see in table like this one is 5 ampere. This symbol is representing the 5 ampere plug point, and this symbol is means 15 ampere power point. Also we will use a wall light and chimney point. So every electrical item on the basis of requirement you will place with the standard height. Simple is this. Every item, just make a copy of this part and place in your drawing. Simple. Then move. Select and move. And show all our wiring with arc tool, 3-point arc. We can control every item with this object. Now match this one to this one. So this is the process, simple. So in electrical part, first point is very important, that we should have a complete detail of the table. Second point, we should know the all standards. We should know the all standards, ampere and with height, standard height for electrical drawing. Same process for dining area, like this one is dining area. So in dining area, so there is a requirement like TV unit. So TV unit we will also use a switchboard. We will use a main switchboard for controlling the all items. Also there is a need like light, so we will use a wall light on every wall, and also we can use a AC. Position may be changed. Make a copy and paste in your drawing. Simple. Use arc tool and control all items. And match.
Sir, starting only we should assume it's how many switchboards will come in living room.
Every switchboard, every item is depending on the requirement. If you are going to mention a TV unit, so it's a common thing that we will use a switchboard.
Yes, sir.
So in dining area also we require a light, so we will use a wall light. We will use a AC for dining area. So every item is depending on the requirement of the client. So if you are going to design an electrical part for your project, so first note down your requirement of your client. So what types of electrical items he is going to use in his home: wall light, chandelier, TV unit, AC, floor lamp. There are so many types of fixtures, the items. So this drawing is totally depend on the requirement. So it's not a compulsory that we will work like this. We will use a wall light, also we will use a split AC in my project. No, just work on the basis of requirement of your client. Simple. Same process for drawing room. In drawing room there is a need of a TV unit, so we will use a switchboard. Main switchboard near the door. Second point, if we have a sofa with side table, so side table means also we can use a mobile charging or other electrical equipment like laptop chargings, a table and floor lamp. So also we will use a board here, and same here. If you are going to mention a AC point, so also we will use a AC point. So all these items that we are going to mention in our drawing is completely depending on the requirement. Simple is this. But the point is, you should have a table, and also you should